So now we're going to be adding fractions. We have 2 and 1/4 plus 4/5. Notice the denominators here are not the same. We need to create common denominators, and we'll do that in equivalent fractions. First, we need to figure out which denominator will be the same, we can use. So we're going to start by listing out our multiples of 4, which are 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. We're then going to be listing out our multiples of 5, which is 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. Notice 20 is the only number that appears in both groups or both lists, so 20 is going to be our common denominator. If there's more than one number that is in both lists, you'll just use the smallest number. So 2 and 1/4, we're going to rewrite this as 20ths. 4 times 5 gets us to 20, so let's multiply by 5 on the top. 1 times 5 is 5. Remember, the whole number in the front of the mixed number stays the same. So now 2 and 1/4 is equivalent to 2 and 5/20. Let's do the same thing with 4/5. We're going to rewrite this using 20ths. So here, 5 times 4 equals 20, so let's multiply by 4 on the top. 4 times 4 is 16. So 4/5 is equivalent to 16/20. Let's add 2 and 5/10. I'm sorry, 5/20, which we got right here. And we're going to add that to 16/20. Always start by adding the fractions first. 5/20 plus 16/20 is 21/20. And remember, if there's no whole number in front, that just means there's no ones, so it's 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. So we have 2 and 21/100. Notice the numerator is a little bit bigger than the denominator. That means there's at least one whole in there. So I'm going to use, let's see, maybe this light green. So I'm going to separate this. I see my 2 is my whole number. I know that one whole with a denominator of 20 would be 20/20, and I need to add one more 20th to get to 21/20. So 2 plus 1 plus 1/20 gets us to 2 plus 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3, and 1/20 is left over. So our answer is 3 and 1/20.